Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Dodge Journey, which in some markets it's known as Fiat Freemont. Both vehicles, same platform, same vehicle, two different names. So if you have a traction control light on, guys, traction control light, you have problems with your traction control system, we'll show you guys which fuse to check. That's what we'll be doing today. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hopefully guys, we can save you quite a bit of money. That's our mission at the shop, to save you as much money as we can by providing free repair videos to you. Now, you have guys one main fuse for the traction control and two secondary ones that are part of the ABS system. So let me show you now which fuses we need to check. We need to locate the fuse box, okay, under the hood right here, and you can see those two things. Press them like that and pull up, and you will be able to pull the fuse lid cover up. You can see that the fuse layout now corresponds to the fuse layout there, so you can see which fuse is which. We need to start with fuse number 156. 156, okay, it says brake underneath it 10 amp. This is actually for your traction control, guys. So, looking at the fuse, okay, it will be this fuse right there. So how you guys remove it, we'll show you now. Stay with us, there are two more fuses that we need to check out. Also, all the fuses, replacement fuses, can be found in the description of the video below, and see where we get ours from for good price, fast shipping as well. So I'll get the new one quick. Okay, let me grab a new one. And I'm going to go ahead and install it now. Just push it in. Then we need to check fuse number 141. Okay, now that's quite interesting thing, because that fuse box layout doesn't make any sense. 141, okay, it's this fuse right here, and you can check it out guys. That's for the ABS. You can see the element inside, it looks okay, it doesn't look burned. Another fuse that could be okay that you need to check out is fuse number 173. Okay, so we start 170 here, 172, 173, that's for the ABS valves. It's a 25 amp fuse, okay, it's this fuse right there. So check those two as well. It could be one of those three fuses guys that triggers your traction control light. Okay, and if you pull it out, you can check out the element inside, especially if you look in the sun, okay, like that, you'll be able to see if it's burned or not. This one is good. And all we have to do, install it later. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if the video was helpful. Many more. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.